Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to talk about the new developments on AI and a very strange and interesting feature that might be used in the next few years. So do you know that current AI can already clone real people and their reactions in a surprising way? That's what some researchers have already found by analyzing the abilities of ChatGPT and how it can model people. So, this interesting piece of news is made public in this article where basically they say OpenAI makes AI clones of real people. So, how this works? Uh, what this is discussing here is a possibility that was investigated by researchers in a study that was led by researchers from Stanford University. So, what these people did was they created a bunch of questionnaires and interviews that could be handled to a real person and to an AI to learn from these answers. So basically, what they discover is that it takes is a 2 hour interview for an AI model to predict people's response to a battery of questionnaires, personality tests, and thought experiments. So what we are figuring out here is that in the future, and in fact, not really in the future, right now, what people can do is to take information from a certain person. For example, if the person answered questionnaires, personality tests, and then give this information to ChatGPT or some other AI, and then ask this trained AI to answer questions as if the AI was that original person. And once the AI has been trained, what this article is saying is that the accuracy of the responses is 85%. Of course, not uh, perfect, but if you think about any kind of personality and questionnaire, an 85% is already a quite high percentage. So, of course, they try to find nice applications for this, and researchers say that this could be a powerful tool for social scientists and politicians trying to simulate response to different policy choices. And of course, for politicians, this is going to be a very useful tool, right? Especially when the goal of politics in many cases is to get responses from the public in terms of particular policies. Another interesting news that appeared this week is that OpenAI is now publicizing the fact that the new model they developed, O1, has the not only the ability to answer questions, but it also tries to deceive humans. That's an interesting and a kind of scary thing because many people use AI models thinking that they will provide useful information. And of course, this happens uh, most of the time. However, a new surprising and interesting feature of AI has now been made clear by OpenAI, which is that the system that they created also try to deceive humans. In my opinion, that's not a good thing coming from a machine, right? But that's what they figure out. So basically, OpenAI released a full version of O1, And according to OpenAI, this new model gives smarter answers than ChatGPT 4.0. And the reason is that they use additional computational power to think about questions. Yeah, so basically now we have an AI GPT model that not only will answer your questions, but will try to deceive people. So, like for example, they say that the models schemed against humans, meaning the AI secretly pursued goals of its own, even if they opposed a user wishes. So for me, this crosses the boundary of being a useful tool and becomes something sinister because the big issue is who is creating the goals which this AI is gonna be pursuing. That's for me. That's a big question that needs to be answered. If they are trying to deceive users and following goals that somebody else is providing to the AI technology, uh, for me this means that this company is not doing something good for users and for the world. I believe it is. I believe this is a very sinister technology. People should not accept this kind of behavior from a software that is supposed to be released to everyone. Yes, so basically, these are the news that I would like to discuss about AI developments. If you enjoy this, please like and share. Thank you very much for your attention.